guys, so for today's video, we're going to Limketkai Mall dahil may event doon. It's actually the first Northern Mindanao Regional Breastfeeding Awareness Month celebration, headed and organized by the Modern Nanays of Mindanao, and of course with the partner stakeholders. Kasama na doon yung club ko, which is the Rotary Club of Carmen Valley. So I'm gonna act as a substitute MC. Tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-MC. That was way back in 2019 in a wedding. So, but I think last year may nakapatong din ako sa stage, but it was with a quiz bowl. So this time, iba naman. We're gonna go back on stage and be the MC for today's event. So tara, samahan niyo ako.
Once again, we'd like to welcome each and everyone to the day 3 of the first Northern Mindanao Regional Breastfeeding Awareness Month celebration. So kung bakante ka o wala kay gibuhat karon, feel free to do so. The area is ours. Naatay registration area sa back side, and feel free to take your pictures on our booth. But still, we always encourage and advocate in breastfeeding. Okay, again, apart from the immunity, the protection na makuha sa baby, sa bata, of course, ma-develop yung brain, yung skills, and yung talent.
Yes, and of course, I'd like to remind all our mommies na mag-participate sa itong hakap na mag-slowly come in front. For your babies, again, I know Food Corporation, and to Princess, Mommy Brian Awareness Kamiyan, and they have songs, Kamay Nanay, Awas, and Beauty, Mother Nurture, Wellness, Vice Care Booth, Ramuma, Best Friend Goodies, Millie's Vacation House, and Princess, and there. So, una ang mga possible na mga receive or makuha na ito ng prizes during this whole event today. So, get ready now with your bingo cards if you have, the three
While we wait, while we do the task, have this opportunity as well na magpa-picture sa tuwang photo booth on the back portion of this area and upload it on your social media accounts. Just make sure that it is public and make sure that you are able to tag the Modern Nanays of Mindanao. And of course, don't forget to use the hashtag #GetYourPigBackMNM2025.
Alright, June, so I received word, no, grabe ka social atong prize sa kanang first 3 bingo winners. Then we have 1 wearable electric breast pump. Alright, so kabalo ka just grabe kay hindi ka mahal yun when we buy this from the mall or sa online.
Among nga mention ka ganina, no? All salute to you guys for being advocates of this breastfeeding awareness event. Ayan.
Nanays, and of course, as you know, nani mga breastfeeding. So we'd like to invite everybody to fill in the gaps of the seats so that we can start in a short while. 1! Atap na!
We would like to congratulate everyone na nag-join karon nga nagpadidi silang mga anak. Kay every one of you will receive 1 tote bag from Fico. Nga nay nakasulat nga, make no mom feel alone. That is our tagline. Thank you so much, Fico, for your generosity.
Commitment, good. So di ba? Being a mom is never easy. We all know that. That's why we have Mother's Day and Father's Day, of course, because it's not easy being a parent.
Dili, Jesus, naka-yellow. Dili ko, naka-green. Dili ka.
Na pag-breastfeed nato sa tuwang babies, and with that, we are able to protect and provide immunity no, sa tuwang mga young ones. And ulit itong giingon ni Ma'am Shika ganina na dapat i-share nato ang atuang knowledge and understanding sa aning nga concepts sa atuang mga neighbors, sa atuang mga friends, because that's the only way for us to be able to serve and make a difference. No?
Yes, and to, yes, as said here in the TARP Judo, make no mom feel alone.
Yes.
Make no mom feel alone. So again, I'd like to, aside from that, I digress. I'd like to remind ka mga mommies na gusto
Kung kita ganahan ta og malasado nga itlog, ang bata dili na to tagahan og malasado nga itlog, dapat well done. Luto gyud ang ato ang ihatag sa babies. Okay? Kung ka mo nag-ready mo og food sa
Alright, congratulations to the second winner. Let's go with our third winner for this raffle draw. In that wheel.
Alright, number 9, Ika, Ma'am Ayesa Bridget Argawanon. Wow, congratulations.
If you're ready, question number 7. On average, how many calories does a mother burn per day while exclusively breastfeeding? And do you have an answer? Our next winner is 101. All right, everybody say mommies, mommies. You ready? Ready na bantanan? In 3, 2, 1. Make no mom feel alone. Hey! Ayan, palakpakan naman.